Hello, welcome to a video tutorial presenting how to add user in Dzinga platform. It's really very easy. Just simply log in to the Dzinga platform and then click on User and Groups. After that, please click Add User button. Right now you should fill in the empty boxes. First name, then position, and extension number. Now you can also define the role. Depends on the level of access to different features. You can define new user as administrator, manager, or just a simply user. You can always check the role by clicking on the employee name. Then you see the details of every account. Next step is to set up the visible number. This number will be used for external calls. You can select the number from existing list or create a new one. Then input email address and the password. Email will be used as a login to the system. Password must be at least 8 characters length and include at least 1 digit. After completing setting up profile, you can send an email to new user with all login details and links for downloading Dzinga application. Then you can add this user to defined groups by choosing them from a group of list or simply by creating the new one. The last step is to set call routing rules. You can use standard SIP ID call redirection or a static IP if you are going to forward calls to IP address. Let's set SIP ID call routing as it is right now. If you want to redirect calls to user's mobile or other external number, simply add it in a Devices tab and fill in a number. In a call routing, you can manage on which device or devices shall go first and on which secondly and with what timeout between them. You can set up to 4 switches between them. Please remember that there are 3 devices created by default. Web phone for calls from the web portal, Dzinga app for calls using our mobile and desktop application, and SIP account to use all kind of desk SIP phones or soft phones installed on your devices. Congratulations! You just finished and complete creating the new user. Thanks for watching.